Hello everyone, my name is Kim. Today I'm going to show you how to make this hallway or doorway from here like this curve like that. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, so you need to plot where is your wall. Alright, so for this case, I'm going to use this floor. Okay, you can even use the platform. Okay, for this case, I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I'm going for 3,300. Alright, then this one will go for 1,500. Right, so I'm going to adjust this one. So this one I'm making around 2,000. Okay, then this one 1,500, right? So 1,500. Right, so the number should be alright. Okay, okay. So if this is wrong, then you can just change again. Right, so this is 3,300. Yeah, should be correct. Okay, right. So this is done already. Okay, otherwise if you guys want to use this one, column, also can. Right. So as for now, my wall is around 150. Yeah, right. Next, come to room. Okay, we have roughly here like this. Okay, now press this customize. Okay, come to ceiling. So we're going to plot the ceiling here to here. Okay, in order to do that, we have to go to our kitchen first. So as you can do your calculation. So this has 3,500. Alright, so 3,500 will come down straight down here. So we of course we need to increase include our cornice. Okay, so our cornice is 100. So 3,500 minus 100 will be 3,400. Alright, so we get our measurement done already, right? So now we go ceiling. Okay, select your background wall design. So this one we can just draw one rectangle. Okay, so 3,400, so 3,400, enter. Okay, so we come out I think around 600, so 600, complete. Okay, as you can see here, here 600, here got the gap here like this. Okay, then fit nice your cornice. Then fit nice your cornice. You can see something like this. Right, here this one. So next we're going to create this one. Alright, so we already got our 600 is here like this. Okay, so now we're going to create this one. Right, so now in order to create that, okay, so we have to plug inside our free modeling. So press return, press floor plan, free modeling. Okay, so in order to prevent our confusion, okay, we add auxiliary. From here to here come out 600, enter. So as we know, our line is 600 is already here. Okay, so next we're going to calculate our top. So our top part will be 3,400. So correct not? So this one 3,400. Okay, of course don't forget this also. This also same. So middle will be middle point. So don't use middle point. When you add auxiliary, comes at set line. So 3,400, enter. Okay, so you got your guideline like this already. Right. So next we're going to guideline our wall. Okay, from left to right. Okay, select here, same thing, add auxiliary, left to right, select. Okay, so we got our guideline line here already. Right. So okay, so in order to prevent our confusion, so don't forget this side line come out 600. Okay, so this one wrong already. So select this one, side come out. Okay, 600, enter. Okay, so we got our guideline. The main guideline is here. Okay, not here but here. Right. So next we're going to draw a line straight down. Okay, so since you feel confusion, never mind. We add another line here. Okay, then you won't worry about the confusion line. Okay, so as you can see, so this is our wall line already. So this will be the wall of this one. So 600 is around here. Correct not? So 600 is here. So we already have plotted our wall here like this. Right. Now we're going to stretch out. Okay, draw a rectangle. here to here, okay, like this. Then we stretch, go up. Okay, you have your wall, right? Left click it 2 times, group it, return. Okay, as you can see, just nice. Everything is just nice according to it. Alright, now we're going to talk about this here, which is this one. So this is the 2 edges, which is this point. Okay. The reason why I want to group it so easy for me to later I have to select it, right? So now we're going to talk about this part. So this part here to here. Okay. So we got our guideline here like that already, right? So next we're going to come here is here to here. Okay. So I do my some calculations. So I think my one is around 600 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so now I'm going to draw one first. Okay, so I'm going to draw and then I'm going to move up. Okay, so I'm going to move up. Actually, you can move, come down, easier to calculate. Add auxiliary. Okay, side, come down, 600. Okay, so you got a guideline. So same thing to prevent confusion. Add auxiliary, straight line, straight line. Okay, if you guys want to add another line, you can go add on another line. Okay, for me, for now it's like just like that. Alright, then next, draw a rectangle from here to here. So this is grouped already. Alright, you can ungroup. So you don't worry about here, affect here. Once this is already grouped, you have no need to worry about it. Right, next stretch this one come up here. Okay, so this one can be leave away. Okay, now just now we see remember 600, right? Alright, so now we draw our circle. When you press like that, you see it will the circle is not correct, right? Not right click one time, never mind. So your mouse come here like that. Side line, come down. Then from here you draw. There you go. So mine is around 600, where you can see 600. The touch line, right? Not 600. So 600, enter. Okay. Then you can see this pie. Okay. This part I need, this part I don't need. So I can just delete this one. Okay. For now, for here to here, right? In order to make it the same shape, so and then I can remove later. Press this stretch. Okay. Select this one. Shift button one time. You can see my mouse, there's one plus sign there. Okay, move my mouse left or right. So this is go into this side. So move here one time, type 150. Since our wall is 150, correct or not? So always do remember calculate at this point. See, 150. 150. So when you come here, 150, 150, select it and delete. Right? Then lastly, here, okay, stretch, left click one time, stretch all the way down. Okay. So once you have this pillar, left click 2 times, we group it. Once done, press return. Okay. You got the halfway here, go through it. Okay. So of course this is the calculation. Alright. You got your actual calculation, you can go for actual calculation. So this is my rough idea for you to get like this. Alright. So once you're done on the group, okay, come to library. Okay. Once you're in here, you come to general material library. You can come this plain library. So this is flat plain color. Okay, sorry, plain library material. Okay, so maybe I can use this gray. Okay, then I just left click, hold control button. If I got group, so easier for me, then I just color everything. After that, when you render out, okay, it will be this color. Alright. Okay. So there you go. Perhaps doorway or hallway. Right. So hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. Bye.